आता खबरो विस्तारान. पुर्तुगेज जनरल कॉन्सूल फ्रांसिस्को डुआर्ट आझावेदोन सोमारा पणजे महापालिकेचे महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादोची भेट घेतली. पणजे शार पुर्तुगालाचो भाग आशिल्ल्यान 175 वर्सां मार्च 2018 मनोवपा खातीर विचार करचो म्हण ह्या वेळार प्रस्ताव महापौर फुर्तादोन कॉन्सूल जनरला मुखार दवरला. आरडीएक्स खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस आनी निलेश परवार.
Going to complete 175th year of the Panjim city in March 2018. Since Portugal was ruling Goa for 450 years, I thought that the government of Portugal could do something during this 175th anniversary in form of art, culture, music, urban development. So he said he will speak to his counterpart in Portugal. I said it could coincide with Carnival, which is somewhere in February, and we could end in March.
What kind of blood I have in my veins? From everywhere. From everywhere. We Portuguese are like. But we're talking this. Some days ago I was watching a picture of a lady. She's the wife of one of my best friends here. Oh. And suddenly it seems my sister. Exactly the same profile, exactly the same. And this is something, it happens, but we have our blood mixed everywhere. This is why we Portuguese, we are okay and always comfortable everywhere. That's it.
How has been the relationship between Goa and Portuguese growing up in the last so many years?
They are good. They are excellent today. You had the visit of my prime minister.
Yeah, that's right.
And that's it.
He was given a overwhelming reception.
Yeah, that's it.
So, any issue that your Portuguese face, because recently people who apply for Portuguese passport in Goa have faced problems?
Look, I came here to visit my friend, the mayor of